The cell contents, including the sap vacuole, contain many dissolved solutes, such as sugars and ions. If we place the cell in a dilute solution, water will be absorbed by the plant by osmosis, and the cell becomes turgid. The contents of the cell will have lower water potential than the external solution, because the external solution is more dilute than the cell itself. So the cell will absorb water by osmosis. Water will pass through the cell membrane as well as the membrane of the vacuole. The cell and the vacuole will swell up, and the cytoplasm will be now pushing against the cell wall. There will be higher internal pressure due to the increased volume of water. A plant that has developed an internal pressure like this is called turgid. While on the other hand, if we place a plant cell in a concentrated solution, which means it has less water on the outside than it does on the inside, the cell will lose water by osmosis and become flaccid. Water will leave the vacuole and will leave the cell membrane to the external environment because it has higher water potential on the inside, and it will lose water by osmosis and become flaccid. It is shrinking, actually. As for cells that have excessive loss of water by osmosis, they become plasmolyzed. The cell contents shrink so much that the membrane and the cytoplasm split away from the cell wall, and gaps appear between the wall and the membrane. A cell like this is plasmolyzed. These white parts are gaps.